Most of the first climbers do mistaken on preparation. They don't read a lot of information which normally the company send them over. The rule number one, love it. The rule number two, don't forget rule number one. So I'm coming back because I love this. Okay, this is Alois, preferred called AJ, simply because people are getting trouble to pronounce Alois, so I'm Alois. I've been guiding since 2005, so I've done Kili climbing to the top around 200 plus. I just stop, keep recording it because it's boring. The hardest part for most climbers is altitude, especially the last push to the top. It's big challenging for a lot of climbers. Yeah, because as I said, altitude-wise, most people, they've never been higher than this. Like we're talking about 50, 80, 95. It's quite a lot without oxygen. And most people, they never done something outdoors, especially mountain hiking. And as you know, European, they're coming at sea level. So this is too much for them. Most of the first climbers do mistaken on preparation. They don't read a lot of information which normally the company send them over. So when they come here, they just, they don't have really things they're supposed to have, like equipment. You're talking about warm clothes and all the gears which are supposed to be on the mountain. So you normally have to check them the first on the initial briefing to make sure they've got all of that. Otherwise, when you get here, there's no going back to take anything. So this is a common mistake most of the first climbers do. The rule number one, love it. The rule number two, don't forget rule number one. So I'm coming back because I love this. It's a good place where you can meet different people. I'm the boss of professors, scientists, and all of that. So I love it. That's what I'm coming back. Yeah, the thing is, don't listen to a lot of literature. People are talking a lot of how difficult Kili is, but there is no explanation which is going to make you understand what Kili until you starting coming here. And Kili is all about process, thinking about booking about it, and day one, day two, day three. So just one step at a time, and you are going to enjoy Kili more than you can imagine. And the good things about climbing Kili, for those who are afraid, it is equivalent to somebody who crossed the world from the poles to the equator due to vegetation change. As you know, we started from cultivation area, montane rainforest, heather and moorland zone, alpine desert, lunar desert, and ice zone, which is Arctic totally. So it's really, really good. Do not afraid of it. And we've done with amputee people, with disabled people, like people on the wheelchairs. So they all do that. Why are you afraid? It's really good.
So we are in a very beautiful view right now here. Maybe we can tell people where we are and where are we heading? Okay,
we are in elevation wise, we are at 4,200 heading to Baraf Camp, which is this direction. But tonight we're going to follow that ridge you see. This is a trail we are going to take going to summit. And the ice you see on top on the right side of that is the rim, which is called Stellar Point, 5,756 altitude meters above sea level.
Nice. Thank you.
Welcome.
If this video gave you some clarity or courage, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such expert videos from African Scenic Safaris.